All right, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Bespoke Kitchens. We are doing our kitchen selection. So this is the exciting stuff for the shed and going through what we've picked out and what they've got for us. So let's go and see it. We are at Bespoke. This is Tyson. He's been looking after everything that we've sort of gone through, all our selections and whatnot, and we've gone dark and manly, I guess, as the shed should be.
That's right, yeah.
Well, these are the selections that we've gone. We've gone like manufactured stone, right?
Yeah, engineered stone.
Engineered. Got a little bit of a white vein through it sort of thing. And then we've gone timber for the cabinets that go over the top. And then we've gone dark, what's this one? I forget what it is.
Ultra matte lava.
Ultra matte lava. And then we sort of come over here with our handles and all the other jazz that I sort of overlooked, but Tyson's been able to sort of put it all together for us and got just some simple
lip pulls.
Yeah. And then some little leather handles that should break it up pretty nicely. And because I'm a little bit taller, our benches are going to be
up to a metre, so about 100 mil higher than these
100 mil higher than that. So we're not far off, are we?
Not far off, no.
Sort of ticked all the boxes, and then what are we looking at? About 4 weeks?
About 3 to 4 weeks. We'll start installing. Did you want to have a look at other things like you got inner drawers like this?
I don't even know that. So we've got drawers.
Yeah. So inside your pantry, you can open it up and pull out your internal drawers.
That's amazing.
Saves you bending down and reaching into those hard to...
Yeah, those lower drawers I don't even go. I don't even worry about. I don't put anything in the low drawers. So that's amazing. See, that's the things I don't think about, and that's why we come and see this man here. He sorted it all out. I basically just said this is sort of what I'm thinking, and then these guys have just mapped it out and gone through the whole process. Very easy, sorted it out for us. The island's got a heap of drawers in it as well, doesn't it? Because we don't have any power in the island, so we're going to put a microwave in there, but no power through the concrete because that happened all too quick, and I forgot about it probably. It was the main thing, but everything else is up at the shed ready, all the appliances and everything that's all up there. So we're going to be moving into this place pretty soon. So pretty exciting stuff. I reckon I'd be good on the block, eh? Tell you what, one thing I would do on the block if I was there is I'd have that place spotless. I'd just clean the whole set. Like, you know how like they're just always carrying on about what they got to do and all this, and the place looks like a bomb's gone off. At night, I would be cleaning the shit out of my space. Like, it would be spotless. You know how I clean. I'm pretty bloody good. But anyway, back to the selections. Well, we like the dark stuff, don't we? Done. It's as easy as that. Yeah, so had Nat Design, who did my original design for the house that I was going to build. That might get done down the track, but she did these drawings up for us, and then Tyson did the last measure up at the shed because we had a bunch of things change from what the designs were. They were a little bit, well, the shed design was the basic, and then me just changing everything willy-nilly, and then Tyson come up, sorted it all out, and then that's what all these new measurements are on here, and they did the final sort of fit out basically. So thank you to Nat as well. She did a cracking job, cracked it out pretty quick as well. So, but all these little measurements that go well over my head, might get Tyson to sort of help us out, because I remember I was looking at these trying to work out heights and whatnot. I had no idea.
Yeah. So we just run through and it just shows your overall bench top height, which, as we said before, is a metre.
A metre, yep. That's so not just the island, that's the normal bench as well, yep.
And then you've got a 700 splashback height between your bench and your overheads. Your overall joinery height is around the 2400.
Yeah, okay.
Open above, so I think you've got your mezzanine floor up there above. So yeah, and then we just mark out things like your waste locations, your fridge, obviously your inner drawers that we just spoke about.
Yeah, I'm still so pumped, man. I didn't even think about that, eh?
And then we've also, because you've got the dark joinery, we've gone for a black edge strip. So when you open this one here's got the black edge strip as well. So
perfect.
Rather than, I think this one, so that's black as well, but that's normally would be white.
Right. Well, it's sort of, it's electric. You see that? Yeah. Did we get any of that?
No,
I didn't tick that box in that one, so no, we don't need that. It's a shed, remember? We're just basic little shed, but dude, should be pretty amazing. I'm so pumped. But
all your drawers and hinges, everything's soft close.
Oh, that's the go. So no slamming doors.
Can't get angry.
Swinging doors and carrying on. All right, well that's amazing. So we're well on our way. Thanks to these guys, have done an amazing job, like I said, and I can't wait to sort of see it all come together, mate. We're here in the shed house and we finally had the finished product for the bespoke video that we've got, and the guys have absolutely smashed it out of the park. Obviously you can see everything's in. We've got the zip tap in, we've got the Falcon massive oven that I do lots and lots of cooking in. I reckon I'll just be using this thing the most. Unreal. I'm super pumped with the work the guys did, like with everything fitting so nicely. Like it's just all one basically. I think the favorite part would have to be the island. We were going to shorten it so we could have like 2 walkways, but it fits really nicely in between the window here. And you got enough space there to clean the window and that. So then we can keep the 4 stools there for when I'm entertaining and all sorts, you know. So super pumped with the whole thing. The boys have just finished off the laundry as well. We've got to put the sink in there, which I'm pretty pumped with that. So you got a little sauna there as well. Got to, you know, now I'm unemployed and not playing. Got to try and keep fit somehow, and that's a bit of cheating. So I'm pretty pumped with that. Huge shout out to the Bespoke Kitchen guys. They come out, smash this out in a day, and the rest of it is just spot on. And I'm so pumped. And I'm going to be moving in here this weekend. So I'm super excited. Massive thank you to Bespoke Kitchens. Guys, hit it out of the park. We'll see you next time, guys. So cheers.